Yes, good afternoon. I'm Mark Hernandez. I'm a raw art artist. We just came up with the group Raw Art Republic here in the Philippines. But there's a raw artist, Japan, I think, Russia. My colleague told me that I'm part of the raw art Philippines here, Philippine Island. So basically, my work are more on the macabre thing. So it's like macabre, a little bit deviant on the side, just a little. And my work is like modern primitive surrealism. Well, basically, my work tackles with a little bit psychology, like Freud says. Like as you can see, I was featured last year, May 2015, at Pulp magazine. Here, May 2015. That was last year. These are my bunch of works there. So you can check my FB there. And first, Galleria de las Islas. These are bunch of pieces. These are how I make the paintings like paradolic. It's like when you go to States, there's the David Eldy doing stuff like that. It's a psychologist then in the States. And Ken, I forgot the names, Ken McDadden. So he started at a young age. He's doing paradolic also. Just put all the things there and just he uses subconscious mind. So I'm doing also as a Filipino. My works are more on the paradolic side. The subject is more on the macabre thing, but I tackles more on the social relevance, social issue. Of course, this one is there's Siamese twins. This is Siamese triplets, as you can see.
What are the paintings at the back? What are the titles? And tell us about those paintings.
This painting is mummified jockey. Here's the jockey. He's been mummified. Seahorse. This is a seahorse there. This is his right arm, but it is a seahorse. So seahorse, back riding, turtle top. So basically, ang social relevance niya is more on the when a horse, when a jockey ride a horse and pag naano siya, yung sabihin, nagta-turtle top siya, yun yung title niya. Mummified seahorse back riding, turtle top is the turtle here, turtle top. So it's more a little bit spoofy when I do the work. A little spook on the side. Here, this one is like more on the triplets because front, side, one face, other side face the front. So that's why I titled him Siamese triplets. This one is like it's a bottle that we print with my colleagues, an artist. I got it from an artist. It's a bottle of Lambanog here in the Philippines. This is the title of the painting is adult. This is adult here on the side. On the side it's like Charlie. So adult and Charlie, adult Hitler and Charlie Chaplin facing each other's dreams. So this is the title. This one. This one is like this OWL. It's an owl. It's an acronym. So basically it's a face. Is the owl. Here's the subject. Meaning, owl, overweight loss. So, all of my paintings are more on the face, as you can see here.
Okay.
Here.
Oh.
I've done one painting in Pulp magazine. The titles. Of course, I exhibited this painting in Galleria de las Islas way back 2014. And the CEO of Pulp magazine liked my painting. I'm the only Filipino who made this painting conceptualized by only for Pulp. So Pulp, Year of the Red Horse Power, Saltik Bala. Of course, most of my paintings are here. As you can see here. So these are bunch of pieces. I'm doing paradolic. I heard one of my mentors told me that's Wayanara. Yeah, Wayanara. Wayanara is a mentor of mine. Yeah. Basically, he told me all the things, all the term about my work. He's a fucking genius when in terms of term about art, etc.